How to archive and unarchive chats in WhatsApp iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're on the main chat screen, find the conversation you wish to archive. Swipe left on the chat to reveal more options. You will see the archive button on the right. Tap on it to move the chat to the archived folder. The conversation will disappear from your main chat list. To find it, tap on the archived section at the very top of the screen. Here, you can see all your archived chats. To unarchive a chat, simply swipe left on it again. Then, tap on the Unarchive option as shown. The chat will then be restored to your main chat list. Following these steps, you can easily archive and unarchive chats on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.